With warm weather, amazing food, and a bustling cultural scene, there are plenty of reasons to visit Austin. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the things to know before you go to Austin, Texas. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit Austin. To beat the heat, the best time to visit Austin is from September to November or March to May. Temperatures rise from April, with June through to August being too hot to really enjoy the city. December through to February is milder weather and fairly dry, meaning that you can enjoy the outdoor sights with ease. So now let's look at getting there. Austin Airport offers direct flights from plenty of US cities, as well as international non-stop flights from Amsterdam, Calgary, Frankfurt, London, Ontario, and Toronto. Once you land at Austin Airport, you could catch the Airport Flyer bus service to the downtown area for under $2, or take a taxi, with trips from the airport to the downtown area costing around $30. Amtrak's Texas Eagle route runs each day between Chicago and San Antonio, stopping in both Austin and Dallas along the way. It is also possible to get a bus to Austin, with Greyhound and Flixbus offering budget-friendly prices, especially when booking in advance. Once you are in the city, there are a few options that you have for getting around. The best way to get around Austin is by bus or light rail. The Capital Metro Transit provides bus routes that cover the city, whilst the Metro Rapid Bus serves the downtown area. You could also drive around the downtown area, but Austin is notorious for some of the worst traffic in the US. Instead, we recommend walking or using the Austin B-Cycle, as well as the public transport as often as you can, and using Uber or Lyft for those longer journeys. So now let's look at the typical prices in Austin. There aren't too many hostels to choose from, but Firehouse Hostel is a popular choice, with dorms starting at $35. There are plenty of local bed and breakfasts, inns, and budget chain hotels, with prices ranging from $70 to $120. Mid-range hotels begin around $150, whilst 5-star hotels start at $240, but can cost as much as $800 for central locations. The average meal in Austin costs around $11, while single rides on the Metro Bus or Metro Rapid cost $1.25, with day passes under $3. So clearly Austin is not a cheap place to visit, but of course there are always ways to save some money. Firstly, enjoy the plenty of free attractions on offer. You could visit the many parks, swim in one of the public pools around Austin, or check out the art streets across the city too. Take advantage of the happy hours on offer, but also stick to the food trucks. These often offer some of the best food in the city for much cheaper prices than restaurants. You could also head to the museums in Austin, with many offering certain days of the week when admission is free. So now let's look at the best things to do in Austin. There are plenty of things to do in this vibrant city. During the spring or summer, take a riverboat along the Lady Bird Lake, or for those looking for a little more adventure, why not take a paddle boat down the river? Visit the art installation at Wonder Spaces before visiting the iconic State Capitol building. Spend an afternoon visiting the many breweries in Austin, and make sure you eat as much local food as possible. Before you leave, also make sure to check out the nearby McKinney Falls State Park. Watch this video before planning a trip to the state of Texas. Then, to learn how to save some money while traveling the USA, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in Austin and stay creative.